ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. You've clicked onto our Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday afternoon, the 25th of April. The weather a little unsettled here for the weekend. Let's go to some sky cam shots, and we'll begin with our Mount Cheahaw camera on the eastern side of the state. And notice how there's pretty ominous clouds there, and a few showers have popped up over in East Alabama, as you'll see in just a moment. The sky brighter on the western side of the state. Tuscaloosa, partly sunny sky there, and pretty much the same deal for Jasper. That's the view from the top of the King Building. Water vapor satellite imagery. We've got the big trough coming out across the Plain States, and that will be producing some active weather. Later today, there's a mesoscale discussion out indicating that a severe weather watch is due out shortly from northeastern Texas up through parts of southeast Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas, and south central Missouri. And there's the larger risk for today and tonight. That's running from the Rio Grande up to the Great Lakes. That includes places like Shreveport, Little Rock, St. Louis, and Chicago. Tomorrow, a slight risk out there over parts of Texas in advance of another impulse coming in from the west. Here's a peek at the radar here this afternoon, and you can see that we've got these scattered showers generally along and east of U.S. Highway 431. Seems like there's a really nice moisture and instability axis there. And we'll continue to mention a chance of widely scattered showers this afternoon and tonight. But as you can see, the action pretty widely spaced. Here's the QPF map. This is the expected rain across the country, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. The number's coming down a little bit, and I think that's the right trend. I think most spots can expect about 1 inch. These numbers still might be a bit too aggressive. This is suggesting 1 to 2 inches for the state this weekend. Here's the modeling. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. And you can see one wave rotating through the Great Lakes, another one coming in behind it, and that's going to sharpen that whole trough. At the surface, we've got that lead cold front coming down into Alabama, and that will trigger showers and storms tomorrow. Don't think it'll rain all day, but it could rain at any time during the day. And then Sunday, there's the trough sharpening up in response to that impulse, and at the surface, here comes the second front, and that's the stronger one. And the big question is, where's that initial front going to be? Will it be moving north out of here as a warm front that would leave much of the day dry, or will it just kind of hang around like this is suggesting? We'll still mention a chance of showers and storms Sunday, but really I think the most organized rain Sunday will come Sunday night with that second front. Maybe some strong storms, but again, the severe weather parameters not all that impressive. Sunday night at midnight, there we go. Surface low is up there near Cincinnati with a trailing front. We'll watch that. You know, anytime you get a setup like that in late April, you have to watch it, but the instability values look pretty low for severe weather. And then Monday, the front is on by as the sky becomes partly to mostly sunny, noticeably cooler. Highs only in the low and mid-60s. Tuesday will be in the 40s Tuesday morning, maybe low 40s, but a beautiful day will be in the 70s, and Wednesday of next week looking nice as well. Couple of quick trolls in the future. This is May 3rd, kind of an unsettled southern branch showing up there, and that looks wet. And at the end of the forecast on the 11th, got a somewhat of a northwest flow aloft, and that looks like an impulse coming in there. And hopefully we'll catch some good rain there. We don't see any big wound-up severe weather systems, but again, those little ripples could produce some rain from time to time for the first 10 to 15 days in May. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. Notes on the blog. The next video I do will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters will have the videos this weekend right here on the blog and iTunes or YouTube, however you watch this. That's our Xtreme video for Friday afternoon. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.